making this project, first we need the 5V SMPS, pixel LEDs and this system. For this system, you can contact on my number. My number is given in description box. This system helps this pixel LED to show the text and the designs. So let's start. Before starting this video, I need to tell you that all component links are available in my description box. So you can buy these components from that link. So let's get started. Friends, for setting the LEDs, we need an acrylic sheet. The sheet link is also available in description box. This is an acrylic sheet, aluminum coated sheet. Now, first we want to make a perfect markings on this sheet like this, so that our board looks better. After marking on the sheet, you can see the cutted points on it. You need to make a hole at these cutted points. Friends, make sure that the hole had been done according to your LED size. After making holes, the sheet just look like this. Now you want to put the pixel LEDs in these holes like this as I shown on my screen. Friends, remember that the LEDs should be put in same manner like I done. Otherwise, if you put the LED in another form, then this board shows wrong pattern and text. And the most important thing is that according to my code, the LEDs are set up in 21/7, means 21 horizontally and 7 vertically. Friends, you can extend the horizontal pattern according to your wish, but we want only 7 lines in vertically portion, because at the time of scrolling the text, the alphabet is cover only 7 lines. So no need to extend the LEDs lines vertically for scrolling the text. Now our LED setup part is completed, and hence let's start the wirings. Friends, for the better presentation, I made this type of cabin for my pixel LED board. Now first we want to common the negative and positive of pixel LEDs, and then give this negative and positive to the output of 5V SMPS. And then give this system wire of input to the input of pixel LED. Now our wiring part is also done, and let's start the practical. So friends, this is an application for controlling this board. This application link is also available in description box. So you can download this application from that link. Friends, for controlling this pixel LED board, we need this system. The system available at my shop, so you can buy it from my shop or you can WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number. On this system, you can see this pattern and the output pin. This output pin we need to give to the input of pixel LEDs. Input of pixel LEDs, so that it can give the data. And this pattern is for the customers so that they can assemble their LEDs like this. Friends, when you buy this system, you can see the pattern on the system. This pattern helps you to set up the LEDs on your board. 7 vertically and 21 horizontally. Now we need to attach this output pin to the input pin of the pixel LED. Now I attach it, and then on the power supply of SMPS. Friends, you can see on my screen that there is a scrolling text of JK Robotics. This step is a default text, and you can also see that on my system the LED is blinking. This LED is blinking because the Bluetooth does not connect. But when I connect the Bluetooth from my app, the LED is stopped blinking. You can see that the LED is stopped blinking now. This means the Bluetooth is connected to our device. Now we can send the text and play the designs. Let's see, I am written hello world. So the pixel LED board will display the hello world alphabets. We can also control the brightness from this app. Now let's see the designs. Hence friends, in this app there is another option which is named as off. You can see on my screen that this is the off button. When I touch it, the LED display will freeze. This means our board is off now. There is an option, click here to WhatsApp me. You can also WhatsApp me from this app. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel for the better videos like this. And also like, share and comment my videos. For more information, you can contact on my number. My number is given in my description box.